wonderful speech. And now I would like to invite His Excellency Mr. Christophe Payot for his speech.
Thank you very much. Good evening to everybody. Assalamu alaikum. It's a great honor for me to be here tonight for the big day, the opening of the chocolate Belgian chocolate shop Cornet Dynasty here in the Pearl. Mr. Jean Cornet, it's a pleasure to welcome you also to Doha. Without you, we wouldn't be here tonight, and people would not enjoy this high-quality Belgian chocolate. So I wanted to congratulate the artist, because we can talk about an artist. A chocolatier is an artist making wonderful pieces of sweets, but with a know-how and with this expertise. So congratulations to you, because I know it has been mentioned, Cornet Dynasty, it's a fourth generation, it's a family company. So like many other companies in Belgium, we have a lot of small and medium-sized enterprises. I think Cornet Dynasty represents also a lot this Belgian tradition of family business of more than four generations and going back to the end of the 19th century. So congratulations for your achievement. It's a great honor for me as ambassador of Belgium here to be able to see the opening of your shop here in Doha. I know that you have shops in Belgium, Brussels, a few in France, but this is the first outside Europe, and the fact that you have chosen Qatar is also, I think, a very smart choice. I know there are a lot of chocolate lovers here in this country, so some have already tasted your chocolate, but many more will in the near future. As I was saying, Belgian chocolate is so famous in the world, so it's not useful or needed for me to say a lot about Belgian chocolate. I think the degustation that's going to follow will be much more efficient than my words to describe what Belgian chocolate is. I think the best way is to taste it. I want to wish to Cornet Dynasty and to Mr. Alani, Mr. Al Mansouri in particular, and all their partners, all the best, and they can count on me and on the Belgian embassy, and I think also on the Belgian community to support you in whatever action we can, just to talk about your wonderful shop and especially the wonderful chocolate quality that you brought to Qatar. So enjoy the evening and enjoy the chocolate.